this is what the common workplace looks like. Our workplaces have shifted, and business owners need to protect the confidentiality, security, and integrity of the information being accessed. With many personal devices in use, you must have a Bring Your Own Device policy, or BYOD. Having unknown devices accessing company data introduces substantial security risks. In the middle of COVID-19, what other choice do we really have? So how do you protect the business in a Bring Your Own Device scenario? Set up clear BYOD use and expectation policies. Set up a secure channel, such as a VPN, virtual private network, to keep company and private data separate. Set strong password policies. Implement additional layers of security, such as multi-factor authentication for accessing company data, and back up BYOD devices regularly. Consider implementing antivirus and threat protection for BYOD devices to ensure security is at a consistent standard. Be clear and transparent about what can be expected if the employee chooses to leave the company. Have them agree in writing to have data removed and verified. Do a complete company-wide audit of all connected devices today. Lastly, consider cyber insurance. Should there be intentional or accidental loss of data, ensure you and your employee are protected. Contact Zynet for further information on how you can audit the devices connected and put in place a Bring Your Own Device policy for your business. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.